Today we're going to be cleaning out the ditch around our culvert to help with proper drainage. Come join me. I'm starting off by removing a bunch of the dirt mound that has piled up in front of our culvert. I'm scooping it into a wheelbarrow to use in a future video. I'll explain that in a little bit. This is the first time this culvert has been cleaned since we've moved here 3 years ago, and as you can tell, it is way overdue. Maintenance like what we are doing today can prevent costly repairs and replacements in the long run. Culvert maintenance is essential for preventing erosion and property damage. Proper drainage helps reduce water saturation of the ground and future instability in your yard. Now I'm going to start shaping it into a cone pointing away from the culvert. This side of the driveway is uphill from the natural flow of water. You want to make your cone at its widest point end the same width as your pipe. If you make it wider, your rainwater could erode around your culvert, which could cause a driveway collapse. Shaping it into a cone is important because it allows the water to naturally funnel into your pipe. I'm wanting to take out more grass and dirt closer to the entrance than away from the pipe, which is the natural flow of water through the ditch. You might have to make some changes after a rainfall to see how your drainage works in your yard. So right here, I have taken out a little bit more than I wanted to towards the end of the cone, and my grade is not perfect, so I'm taking out some of the dirt that is in the culvert, and I'm going to repurpose it where I have taken out more dirt than I needed to. I'm getting out the last little bit of dirt from the entrance of the culvert. Here in a little bit, I'm going to start walking on where we've been digging. That helps me to compact the soil and to look at grade to make sure that we are not taking out more than we need to when it comes to grade. Looks like we've pretty much got it on this side. I like the results and ready to move to the next side. We are going to repeat the process on the other side, making sure our shovel is getting more material closer to the exit and gradually meets the good soil grade further out, allowing seamless transition from culvert to good grass in the ditch. So the soil we collected, as you can tell, is very dark and rich. This will make great soil on our garden. The only problem is that there are a ton of rocks in this. My plan is to sift this, removing the rocks and reclaiming this good dirt. I was only able to get so much dirt that I could reach with a shovel. Now that our rain enters at a lower elevation, the dirt trapped in the pipe will slowly start to leave once rain forces it out. If you like this video, I would appreciate the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.